Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Katina, Cat for short. Thank you for joining me today. Today I will be doing a video using my BoxyCharm subscription. Yay! When you open up the box, this is what you get. Just dropped my Dr. Brandt, but I'll get it. This is what you get. It's full of products. They got some awesome products in here and everything. And so, yeah, I'm going to get a full face in with the BoxyCharm box. And this month's theme is Rock 2018. And so what you normally get is a card with it. And on the back of that card tells you how much each product cost and, you know, what it was worth, your box. Now, I will tell you, it is a monthly subscription. I pay $21 a month for this. And these are full-size products, majority. And like I said, December was the only month that I was like, I could have did without. But they started the year 2018 off like rock stars. And so let's go over what's in the box and then we will go through the look. The first thing I see in the box is a full-size Pores No More Luminous Primer from Dr. Brandt. This retails at $38 and it's a full size. Because I'll let you know, I do. Hold on one second. When I was getting Sephora sent out a Dr. Brandt Luminous Luminous No More Pores primer. And this was the size that you got from Sephora. This is what you get from BoxyCharm. So I just did that to show you that BoxyCharm is full size. It's not a deluxe sampler. It's not a sampler. It is the full size product. So if you are thinking about subscribing to BoxyCharm, if it's not for the full-size products that you get for just $21. By the way, this alone is $38. This is already paid for the BoxyCharm itself. So, Dr. Brandt's Pores No More Luminous Primer. Alright, next I see is It Cosmetics Brow Powder. And this is a universal eyebrow pencil. And this retails at $24. And so, I saw a couple of reviews on it. A couple of people talk about it. It's a taupey color. It might be alright for me. It's got one end a spoolie. And then, let's see, twist it up. Ooh, that's a little ashy. But, you know what? For the sake of the video, I'm going to use it and see if I can make it work. So that is the It Cosmetics Brow Power in the color taupe. The next thing I see is a Crowne Pro Glam Metal Palette, and it retails at $25. Rock your look with the Crowne Pro Glam Metals Eyeshadow Palette. These high pigment ultra blending shadows make smoky eyes look a breeze. So this is how that palette looks. And I will tell you that every color is metallic. That's why it's called a metal. Besides the black. The black is not metallic. It is just a flat matte black. So let me see if I can bring that a little closer so you can see it. Yeah. All of them have shimmer. And so that retails at $25. So the Complexion Authority Bronze and Brightening Cheek Palette. Bam. Retails at $34. And on the go highlight, bronzer, and blush palette with 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effective and to create an effortless and skin kiss glow on every skin tone. Features pure fan favorite Afterglow and Mineral Glow, along with a new blush shade, Blushing Glow. Throw this in your bag and you're ready to go. Okay. I can be honest with you. Don't have anything pure except some stuff I got out of BoxyCharm. So these are your colors. The one here on my left is Mineral Glow. In the middle is Afterglow. And then this is Blushing Glow. So this is Blushing Glow. So yeah, looks kind of interesting. We'll find out. And the last thing I got was a Girlactik matte lip paint. One of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its word. Is lightweight, long wearing, non cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a lip balm or a lip primer before application. Alrighty then. And so the color that I got, oh wow, I think I saw some people get this last month as well. So that's a very nice pinky, brownie pinky nude. Let's get a swatch of it, see how it'll look on my skin color. That's how it looks. So be happy to see that, and that retails at $23. So let's get into this. Let's go in. The first thing I am going to use is the Dr. Brandt No Pores No More Luminizing Primer. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, that's how it looks. Just got a dime size. And I'm just going to spread that in my sorry if I sound a little nasally. I am getting over a sinus infection, which looks like it never wants to go away, which is okay. Normally during my normal application, after I prime my face, I would go in and do my brows. I would let this sit on my face, my primer sit on my face for a minute. Let's go in with the brows. Sorry, let me reach back here. And I normally put a eye primer on, and this is sorry, my primer looks so gross, but it's a Mary Kay eye primer, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyes. And so if you haven't noticed my company, I have two friends who don't want to play fair. So I'm going to go in with this It Cosmetics Brow Power. So gel, brow gel. But for right now, that is it. Let's move on. Let me address my friends in the middle of my forehead. Wants me to be a unicorn. I don't want to be one. So I'm going to take this green. I was going to take it with a brush, but I think I'm just going to do it with my finger. I got this was it last month? It was last month or the month before from Boxy Charm. It's from Bella Pierre. It is their Pro Correcting palette. And I'm just going to go into that green with a little bit on my finger. And I'm going to tone down those pimples because they're killing me. For it, let's bronze it up. I love to look bronzy. And then I normally have all this stuff on my desk. I don't know why I don't. Just pull my brushes over here. And then I'm going to go in to this blush color right here. So a little shiny, but that's okay. Oh, I like it. It's nice. Go back in with my brush that had my powder on it. Blend that out a little bit. It's got a nice little glow to it, don't you think? And then I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics fan brush and I'm going to go into that highlighting shade. Alright, Pure. Highlight some points real quick. I'll go back in with my BH Cosmetics brush and blend all that in. Sorry. So the next thing that I have, let's see, is the eyeshadow palette. And let me set my lids from the concealer. Took my bronzer and went into my crease with my bronzer, and now I'm going in with the palette. I'm gonna wet my brush. I haven't figured out what color that I want to use yet. I'm not gonna use a lot of colors because I'm not gonna do a crazy look just because. I think I want to go into this bronzy gold color right here. It is called Rebel. Honey, that sounds just like me. Rebel. And I'm going to take a flat brush, and it's already wet. I'm using my wipe to wet it, and I'm going to just dip my brush into it. Not chalky. It's coming up pretty well. And I'm just going to take that across my lid. The center. Very good pigment on it. I like it. I like that bronzy color. Yeah, I like that gold color. It's very nice. A very nice color. Looks like this is going to be a very pigmented metallic palette, and I like that. I like that. Great job, Crowne. Great job. And then I'm going to go back in with my bronzer and blend that out so it doesn't look like I just splattered on there. Okay, and for the last product, it will be the Girlactik lip gloss. Looks very pretty. So, and it looks like it'll really go with this look. Feels really nice on the lips. I like this. This is really nice. This is your finished look using my BoxyCharm box. So, Dr. Brandt, awesome, great product, love it, get it. It Brow, not mad at it, cool, universal, Girlactik matte lip paint in the color Posh, like it, love it. The Pure Bronzing and Brightener, I think it did good. I think it did a great job. It was nice. It's nice. It's pigmented. It's got a lot of sheen in it. So this is, for me, I love to glow. So of course I'm never bothered by any highlighter, anything that glows, anything that has satin or shimmers in it. I'm never disappointed in. So the palette, I would give it a thumbs up. Definitely give it a thumbs up. And of course the Glam Metal from Crowne Pro, awesome pigment, love it on the lids if you see it, and that's just with a wet brush off of a wipe. I didn't spray it, I just wiped it on my wipe, and so to me that's glowing just like the skin, perfect, love it. This month's BoxyCharm was awesome. I have no complaints about it. If you're interested in getting on BoxyCharm's list for a mailing, I will leave a link down below. You know, awesome product. Woo! I have no complaints today. No complaints about this. Great January BoxyCharm. Can't wait to see next month's BoxyCharm. And yeah, this is the final look. So yeah, this is the final look that I got with using my BoxyCharm subscription today. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment down below, and I will see you on my next video.